The story behind Pollinator Peril is that the year is 3043 and the entire population of pollinators is extinct. All the birds, bees, butterflies, and bats that pollinated a majority of the food you eat are gone. Fortunately, 1,000 years ago, a scientist managed to preserve an entire colony of bees and hide them behind a series of locks and puzzles. Your job is to open the box and release the colony of bees, and in result end the famine that has been brought upon you because of the extinction of pollinators. The 5 locks we will be utilizing throughout the game are the ABC multi-lock, the 3-digit lock, the 4-digit lock, the key lock, and the directional multi-lock. These are the combinations for the locks previously mentioned. Besides the locks, other resources you will need are the 2 lock boxes included in the BREAKOUT EDU kit, batteries, a USB drive, a UV pen, a laptop, and the UV flashlight. From the linked Google Drive folder, you will need to print out the documents labeled articles, informational pictures, pollination process pictures, and pollinator cutouts. From the same Google Drive folder, you will need to add the Google form entitled Editable Copy of Pollinator Peril to the USB drive. Once the game begins, students will start to look for the items hidden around the room. When the students locate the cutouts, they will separate them into groups, bees, flowers, and butterflies, and count the number of cutouts in each of the 3 groups. They will then use these numbers to get the combination for the 3-digit lock. Once the students open the lock, they can grab the keys and use them to open the key lock. Then the students will find the batteries and the pollination process article and utilize the black light to find the combination for the 4-digit lock. This will be found by using the black light and scanning over the pictures that correspond to the pollination process and putting the numbers on the pictures in the correct order. Next, the students can use the flash drive to access the Google Forms to get the combination for the ABC lock. In order to get this, the students will have to use clues hidden on articles and images around the room to get the correct answers. Once the correct answers are submitted, the students will receive a 5-number code. Once the students get the code, they will decipher it using the article that corresponds numbers to letters, which will get them the combination for the ABC lock. Finally, the students will use the monarch migration article and use the arrows and text on the article to get the directions for the migration path of a monarch from Wisconsin. Using this information, the students will be able to get the combination for the directional multi-lock, which will allow them to remove the hatch and open the large lockbox.